Hey guys, we're back, and today I'm eating ice cream. I know I ate too much today, but I don't care.
What did you eat?
Time, milk, that's it. And lunch, breakfast,
What did you eat at lunch?
nothing. I only drink my milk because I don't like any of that.
What did they give you at lunch then?
They gave me vegetable sidekick.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. Yeah, we had
We have a salad bar.
So you were starving today?
Mm-hmm. I don't like the salad bar.
I like it when it has grapes.
Mm-hmm.
But today, today we didn't even get to serve ourselves. I didn't even get to serve myself.
Why?
In the salad bar.
You have a salad bar?
Yeah.
Why?
Why didn't you get served?
Because Miss Brooks, she just grabbed the apple and put it on my plate and she said, "Okay, there."
What did you want, salad?
No,
Alright.
I don't know why it's called salad bar, but
I wanted fruit.
That is fruit.
Not that kind of fruit, like grapes and stuff.
I know it.
And Jasmine got what I wanted. I got what she wanted.
You got a tray?
No.
What the fuck?
Wait.
Because Miss Salazar was watching us and we can't trade.
Why can't you trade?
I don't know. She gets mad at us.
I know we can't trade at all. When they were just not around, if we just did trade.
Huh?
We trade on one
I
another.
remember when we were little, we used to trade our food all the time.
Okay. All I want is the grapes. That's it.
When are y'all parked at Pizza?
April.
Damn.
Next month.
When y'all parked at home, we got home sleeping.
What?
Can you pick us up?
No, nigga, because you got a test.
I
You
hate
can
this.
pick us up after school.
But only 2 days, not all 3.
Why not?
Because if I take you out 3 days, that means that you
Oh,
have
yeah,
to
huh?
ride the bus no more.
I don't even like the bus.
I'd
I'd rather go with my mom. My ding
You
dong.
know what I'm going to do that whole I'm going to go eat me some McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Oh, you should bring me some.
You should bring me a double cheeseburger.
I'm gonna
I've been
go,
back.
I'm gonna go
At
buy
least
me
I didn't
some
say the
ice
Big
cream
Mac.
from La Michoacana.
Ooh, bring me Oreo with
I'm gonna
Superman
go watch
with.
a movie at the movie theater.
Bring me Oreo with Superman and colorful sprinkles on when you go to Michoacana.
Like me, you thought.
How is Superman even an ice cream? That's weird. Who invented Superman ice cream?
How is strawberry and ice cream when it's a fruit, you think? Ah, you never.
I just got told.
You just got told.
Are you done?
Yeah, I want more.
Yeah, I mean we only have a teeny tiny bit. Can I feed it to us?
What?
She said yes. Okay.
So look how much we have left, boy, of Napoleon ice cream.
Oh no!
Yeah, I mean look how much.
Okay then.
Can we give it to her?
Eat it.
We're
I'm
so
not
far.
gonna have diabetes,
Hey,
And then you get it.
you're so mean. You barely ever give me anything.
No, I'm just kidding.
Shut up, Jimbo.
Damn!
What happened?
Hi, man, it's me against some dude, and I'm done! Ugh!
Alright, Joe, you gotta watch the rest of the video.
Morí!
Lo mataron.
Me mataron!
Wait.
No, they didn't.
He's even doing that.
Because my dad asked what happened, Gio.
Y perdí.
You want to see yourself when you were super small?
Oh, wait.
Yeah. When you were eating ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
This is me.
Ah! Hurry up and eat. I should already finished it.
Let me end the video.